Hi! In front of me is OUKITEL WP20 and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by opening Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Following that, click on this little icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner. Now you can tap on your photos right away or select folders. Then click on Images filter at the top of Recent Files. Select them from here. Click on one of those apps or tap on those three lines at the top left corner and pick one of those sources, like Downloads. After locating your photos that you wish to add, just hold the chosen one and click on Select at the top right corner to attach it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!